on Groms. We have a swell hitting today. The snow's melted. It's like a rain and sleet storm, but we're going with 2 boards. I really want to ride my 6'5" Witcher, but it's in the shop right now. Ran over a rock last time I was surfing, but we're going with Old Faithful Black Beauty here. I don't want to ride this board because I love my new board so much, but we just can't get rid of her. She's like works super well in the big stuff. And then we got our 6'4" Stealth here. This board is what I'm hoping to ride, but it honestly looks a little big for it right now. There definitely is snow falling right now. It's pretty wild, but the cam looks like totally unorganized. So yeah, we're gonna go down a little bit though and check some spots, and hopefully we can find some waves. Meg, it's snowing. You went outside earlier? We are headed down right now. Been drinking some warm water out of my thermos that Nick got me, so thank you. And yeah, this well is super weird. It's like the storm's really close. There's like an east swell and there's a south swell, and the wind is like north, and it just seems like a lot's happening at once. We are like running around chasing it right now. We checked one spot so far. Dan's been checking a bunch of other spots. We just like don't know where to surf. It looks pretty good. Like we should go out there. Just this guy is getting worked on the inside. It was like 100 yards up the beach like 5 seconds ago. We found the spot. It's gonna be big, a lot of current, gonna be a tough session, but the waves are pumping. We're out there. We just got out of like a very humbling session. Very humbling. We got Danny pulling up right here. We're sending it to a different spot. That was just not the move. I grabbed rail, as you can see on camera, and I think I hurt my hernia. Yeah, we're just gonna look for another spot right now. It's just like the buoys are so small. Like the forecast was like literally like 3 at 6 or like 5 at 8 from the east, and it's just like, I don't know, kind of overpowering all the sandbars. Like it's just not holding really well. It's not that big of waves. It's just like too short period. Ooh, Lucas with a secret. Are you drinking it? I had like a moment of depression after that last session.
Yeah, you were pissed.
I was like deeply frustrated, but the waves look not good here, but better than, or at least easier than where they were before. Still like super steep, a lot of barrels. Can't really talk right now, but we're gonna go out there and make the most of it.
Yeah.
Simple people trying to live their life. You trying to tell them you know, baby, cause you know that ain't right. You're trying to get them to believe, hey, cause you wanna be the king of the whole world. Well, you're standing on top of the world. Well, you can't see your palms up, yeah. can't see your problems uptown. Why don't you take another look at things? Life could be simple and smooth, but when you're sitting on top of the world, hey, so you can't see your problems up there.
That was a great ride.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Ooh, we got in the tube.
It seemed like centuries ago when the monks crossed the mountain to Malibu, El Camino, and a sipping tea lemonade room. We ponder all that we can lose in a theater of dark. The cross of Jesus sees it all. His red blood's on the bar.
On the board. And wait, is this one of those? Let me see. Is this one of those? This was one of those boards I hear about that has the thin like purple. No.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, that's it. You don't know those boards? No. Out there, catch her when she comes by. We say hi, and I see her on this huge wave. I'm like, oh, you know what you're doing? Like, seriously. Shot? Oh yeah, I got the shot.
Epic session. I felt like I caught like 100 waves. The stealth was working so well. This board is just great. It's got a lot of area in the tail for the waves we were surfing. Like, I probably would have ridden the 6.5 today, but like, this was the board. I'm so glad I rode it over the Black Beauty. And yeah, I feel like I was really like just popping up, catching a lot of waves. Like, maybe not every wave was epic, but so fun. 2 swells hitting just overpowered it. Like, I couldn't like comprehend how big it was and how small the buoys were. I want to give a shout out for my dad for sticking with us. Some of the best times of my life have been just chasing waves with him, and you know, my friends and my family. It's just so fun. I think Dan might be out of here. He got cold. He was chasing a peak down the beach. He was like all over the place, but yeah, we're just so stoked. It was such a fun day. Always epic when you get to surf all the way past sunset. And as always, we'll see you on the next swell.
It's like airdropped. The board like flipped. Like
you landed on it? Like,
yeah, from like the top of the wave. Like, my board and I like fell together.
Did you keep surfing?
Nah, it was like the last wave. I was in so much pain. I was like, damn.
Dude, well, oh, you know, I was when my dad told me, I was like, you gotta buy a new board now.
Yeah.
Like, right? Like,
I mean, I guess.
Like, you could fix this, but also get a new board so you can like surf now.
Dude, it literally like,
Dude, that's pretty crazy.
Dude, I don't even know how it happened. I mean, this one's gnarlier than this one.
They're both pretty bad. You could get this fixed, bring it to Nature Shapes.